Mrs. Surama Pahi ma'am. She is the Honorable Speaker of Orissa Legislative Assembly. Heartily welcome to the special guest of honor, Mr. Arvind Mohapatra sir. He is the Honorable MLA of Pachkura. Heartily welcome to our Honorable Chief Speaker of the meeting, Mr. Deepak Kumar Ratha sir. He is the editor of Uday India and senior journalist of New Delhi. Heartily welcome to the president of our school, Mr. Manoj Kumar Pradhan sir. He is the founder or Pratishtata of Kaling Avashik Vidyalay and the editor of Swarn Orissa Monthly magazine. Our school's guest of honor, Mr. Ajay Kumar Pradhan sir. He is the social worker and co-editor of